Imagine going to an optician to check if your eyesight is still accurate. The optician tests your eyes using standard charts. If your vision isn't accurate anymore, you're given a correction to see clearly again, or you'll get new glasses with the right adjustment. Just like your vision changes over time, color measurement instruments also change due to age, usage, and environmental conditions. This is where X-Rite's NetProfiler helps. It makes it easy to validate and improve instrument performance by correcting drift and identifying devices that may need servicing. Similar to how an optician uses charts to test your eyes, NetProfiler uses a set of calibrated tiles to verify and optimize your instrument's performance. If an adjustment is needed, NetProfiler applies a correction profile to your instrument, which digitally corrects the performance of the device. It also ensures inter-instrument agreement, so your color measurements stay consistent across teams, locations, and even around the globe. Even the best instruments can drift and cause errors. Regular profiling with NetProfiler ensures your measurements are always consistent, accurate, and reliable. Learn more by visiting our website.